is Alicia Burton here, and I went to town today. Please excuse the hair, but I have a makeup tutorial I'm going to do right quick. Well, it's not a makeup tutorial. It's I will do my eyes in this video, but there we go. But I wanted to show you. I've been for about a year and a half now been struggling to if I wanted to buy the Revlon Color Stay Makeup Found Tint Normal to Dry and 410 Cappuccino. And here it is. Hope y'all can see that. And I'm just gonna I have a little bit on my nose real quick, so I'm just gonna go on and completely do a tutorial with it. Now, later tonight, I am putting about 3 pumps. That's about that much. And we are going to put it here, alright, under here. I will do the whole face, but let's get started. I've been wanting to try this foundation for almost about a year. I just haven't had the courage to buy it until today. And I also brought another foundation that I'm going to try out tomorrow. And let me just insert it right quick. It is the Precision Formula, the Healthy Foundation, and I have it in DN4. Oh my god, I cannot wait to try that because the foundation is a little different. But yeah, so I'm finna go with some more, and I think I will just make this so you can kind of say first impressions. Alright. And my hairline is kind of different. I am going to see if I can go get my haircut this week or wait till next month to go get it cut. Alright. And if you don't know, tonight is I have WWE mute right at the moment, and I am going to be watching WWE 25th anniversary, Raw anniversary. So let's see. I actually like how it's looking. So right now I'm gonna go and I'm gonna put a little bit of eyeshadow on. Now I will come back. I'm gonna leave it on for all of Raw while I'm watching WWE. But my personal opinion will matter because I love Rimmel London. I'm pulling out some of my favorite brushes and everything, and I'm going to use the Beauty Glaze. Haven't used it in a while. I was sick Sunday, so I couldn't had a chance to use it. So let's get started on that while I'm sitting here, so you can kind of say first impressions. Yeah, we're gonna use this. So it's gonna be a first impression. So I'm gonna be using Beauty Glaze, and this is the Rose Gold edition. And I am going to wipe Sweet. That is this color right here, all on the lid. I'm going to do that, but before I do, let me look back here and do this. Now, what I love, this is a review on this will be coming up. Will be coming soon. So yeah, that's one of my favorites, but a go-to. Yeah, so we're gonna see what kind of look I can come up with right quick. And while I'm at it and while I'm thinking about it, like I said, don't forget to watch So we're going to go in with Sweetheart, and we're going to dust that over though a little bit. And the reason I'm going, if you see me looking down, I'm looking at in the mirror. But let me just say this: 25 years for WWE. It is. I can say this. I actually grew up with that, so now I'm going to take Humid. I hope I pronounced that right. No, not Humid. 350, and I am going to put that in the crease. Beautiful color. Let's see if we can get it right. So I'm going to take Humid, this brown color, and I'm going to go again over here. So then I'm going to take this, I'm going to go back in right here. Let me double check the eyes. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to now do my lid, and I am going to do it with this Moon Child. And I am going to come on the lid like this. And then swipe it right here. I'm going to take this one, and I'm going to use Brick Red right here. And I'm going to and I'm going to take this Wet n Wild brush, and we're through with this palette, and that's the Beauty Glaze palette. Alright, then we're going to do highlight. I can't find it. And we're going to use this highlight. This is when you don't do concealer. Typical me. Alright. And for the blush, we're going to go with my neutral blush. And we're going to be using Milani 01 Romantic. And this is that. And for lipstick, we're going to do Revlon Mink. And that's it. And that is it for this makeup tutorial and review. I actually do I will come back later to tell you how I feel about the foundation, so stay tuned. As you can see, this was a quick makeup tutorial with the Revlon foundation in Cappuccino 410. So I will be back a little later. Until then, I'm Alicia Burton. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.